Pearl Harbor survivor John Matreuse, in his later years, really began to worry that Pearl Harbor would be forgotten, and he relayed his distress to his daughter, Susan. And Susan went to work to make sure that Pearl Harbor would not be forgotten, and she would do it in her way. And Susan is here today. Susan, would you please stand? And her husband, Greg, is right with her. Greg, would you stand? Ladies and gentlemen, the Singh family. Very good to see you, folks. So Susan, among others, created the Pearl Harbor Legacy Scholarship, given to an undergraduate or graduate, preferably a history major, someone who would carry forward the ideals of Pearl Harbor. This year, we have our winner here, and would you please stand, Simon. Simon Hyman. Thank you, Simon. Simon, from John Matreuse to the Singh family, from sons and daughters of Pearl Harbor survivors to almost, I would say, everyone in this room, we have entrusted you, Simon, to the commitment that you will carry on the legacy of Pearl Harbor receiving this scholarship. Susan found her way in carrying forward Pearl Harbor. And we hope, Simon, that you will find your way. And by the way, congratulations on earning this scholarship, a cool $5,000.